hotel to take a break because very tired. And my panel is in 1.5 hours, and it's my food panel. I don't really want to eat now. All I think about is the food panel. After the food panel, I will be more relaxed.
I've got a headache.
Yeah, but you didn't sleep last night.
I was nervous.
Yes, very tired. I fell asleep very fast last night.
Like that.
Yes, I was super tired.
I think she was having a dog dream. A dog dream where you're running, chasing the bunny. She fell asleep, and then all of a sudden she was like, yeah. And then you rolled over and fell asleep again. What I want to know is whether or not you caught the bunny. Or maybe you were the bunny running from the dog. I don't know. I didn't fall asleep until
5.
I don't know. It was well after 3.
You were nervous. What did you nervous about?
I was nervous about if you were going to get nervous on stage. I was nervous about you getting nervous on stage and then not knowing what to say when you got up. But you did very, very well. Very well.
If I get into something, not thinking about other things, then I can't do good. I didn't repeat.
No,
Did I say nervous?
No, you seemed very, very poised. You did exactly what you're supposed to do.
Yes.
You said hi, and you told everybody you were happy to be here, and you invited them to come out to your panel, and you told everybody to have fun, and they seemed excited.
Yes, is this because I have been making videos and talking in front of camera, so I got a little bit practice and talking in front of everybody? Maybe? Right now it's 2:40. We can rest for another 5 or 10 minutes because we will take like 20 minutes to set up.
I don't know how long it would take to set up.
It'll be fast because people will get there late.
I'm going to round them up. I'm going to tell them there's free food. Come out and see Yumi King, cutest little cook.
Yes, it'll be fine. A lot of people know about mapo tofu, right?
Yeah, I'm surprised.
The girl next to us, they know about it, so it's not.
The Soul Sisters. Everybody at this convention has been very nice, incredibly nice.
Yes, super nice. You're afraid I mess up the language?
Yeah, sweetie, I was nervous you would get nervous and you would not know what to say or you would get flustered.
Tired. Somehow I'm really tired. I think after...
Ouch, ouch, pin, ow.
Huh?
Poke.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, the pin? Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Sorry, I'll hold it.
These costumes are held together with safety pins, bobby pins.
I think after the food panel, I will be more relaxed. After the food panel, I will walk around and look at the stuff. Because right now, I can't focus on other stuff.
Yeah, I'm kind of feeling the same way. I'm more relaxed now that we've gotten the opening sessions out of the way.
And the autographic session.
Yeah. Now that I've seen that they've been able to get power out to the table and then we've got the chairs set up, yes. I feel like we'll be able to get it done.
I just need to continue to talk when I cook stuff. Because I can talk about the meaning of mapo tofu, the authentic flavors.
I still think you need to make up a story. The history of mapo tofu.
I don't really know what's the history of the mapo tofu.
Well, what did you say? You looked it up. It's like
old
lady tofu.
That's the meaning from...
The legend of mapo tofu. You should make up a story. The legend of mapo tofu.
And I can talk about the ingredient.
Yeah, you can talk about... I tell you what.
What?
You have an instinct to find the camera lens. Mirrors and camera lenses.
Because I'm talking to... Oh. Okay, it's flat.
Did you find all the phone numbers from the cute girls that I got? Not that coat pocket, the inside coat pocket.
No, nothing there. Oh, okay. My schedule. It's 3:30. I won't get that done.
After that, it's just all relaxed time.
After that, I will go to the small shops. I will look at the small shops.
You can do that, and then we go to the VIP dinner and we can pick out.
I got a bear.
A bear?
Bear.
Bear?
Bear.
Bear? You've got a bear hanging around your neck? Grrr.
Bear. 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 Bear.
Bell.
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 I don't like stick my tongue on my teeth.
Well, stick your tongue on your teeth to make the L. You gotta do it. Bell.
It's strange. It's strange to stick your tongue on the teeth.
Bell.
Time to get ready. We need to get into the mold.
Oh. Okay.
Because we need to pack and we need to push the stuff. Don't do that, Linny. Okay, let's get ready. The battery. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sweetie.
You look super cute.
Buttoned up or
I think that's
that?
super good.
Okay, look at us.
Yeah, we match it. Say the pink shirt. I don't have time to.
Pimp Daddy Pink. Pimp Daddy Pink.
This is my next outfit,
Pimp Daddy.
and we will go to the autographic session. This is my next outfit, and I'll carry my purse. I forgot my tail.
You need your tail and
the bow.
No, it goes in the back, baby. You can't have two things in your hair. Come on.
Look at those shoes. I think those shoes matches more than the heels. I got bow in the front and bow in the back. Super cute.
You know what? I always hate this tail. This tail always wants to wiggle around and wind up with the bell on the bottom, and you can't tell what's going on.
I like this costume better than the first one. The first one is cool and looks cool in the picture, but this one is just sweeter.
Let me put your bow. Okay,
Yeah.
careful. I'm poking pins back here. Don't be moving around.
Oh, okay, I'm not moving.
Okay, now you've got a bow to hide the top of the tail that's pinned to your dress. You've got another bow on top of the other bow. You got multiple bows. Here, we'll put that bow underneath.
Okay, that's super cute. So we'll go to the autographic session.